Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both devices, connect power, and clear distractions. Plug a high-quality USB cable into the venue car's USB port, or enable wireless Android Auto in the car's infotainment menu if supported. You should unlock your phone and accept the Android Auto prompt. This allows phone apps to stream to the car safely. Once done, make sure Bluetooth pairs and phone Wi-Fi is on. Android Auto uses both for phone-to-car handoff, so navigation and voice commands stay responsive while you drive. You now initiate Android Auto from the venue display. Tap the Android Auto icon or choose your phone as the media source. The system walks you through pairing steps, accept notifications, and give permissions for calls, messages, and location so apps function correctly. You should also choose default apps for maps and music inside the Android Auto settings to avoid prompts while driving. Once linked, test a quick voice command like Navigate Home, so you confirm the assistant and audio routing behave as expected. You finish by using Android Auto. Press the steering wheel voice button or say the wake phrase to control navigation and media hands-free. If the connection drops, restart the phone and the venue infotainment system first. Swapping to a known good USB cable often fixes intermittent issues. If problems persist, make sure both phone and car software are updated, clear the Android Auto app cache, and repair the devices. One quick troubleshooting tip: test wireless versus wired connection to isolate whether the issue is cable or.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.